I've been using this cordless Philips vacuum cleaner for 5 months now, and today I'm going to give you my honest opinion about all of its pros and cons. Let's start with the first downside I noticed. If you forget to empty the dust container and it gets too full, some of the dirt can fall back out through the main brush. So to prevent that from happening, let's clean it together. Cleaning this vacuum cleaner is actually very simple. Everything comes apart easily and you have access to every component, so it takes much less time than you might expect. The key is to do it regularly. One thing I'd improve about this brush is adding a built-in hair cut system that would automatically cut tangled hair, but that would definitely affect the price, and I think the vacuum would cost quite a bit more. For now, I simply use scissors to carefully cut and remove the hair myself. Now let's talk about my favorite feature. This bright LED light on the main brush is a game changer. Seriously, with this light I found dust, cobwebs and dirt that were completely invisible under normal lighting conditions. So the LED light gets a huge thumb up from me. Another thing I personally love is that it's cordless. There is no need to constantly unplug and move the cord from one outlet to another. At the same time, it's very powerful. It has 3 power models. But honestly, I usually use only the second one. It's more than enough for both hard floors and carpets. As for battery life, a full charge is enough for me to thoroughly clean my entire 2-bedroom apartment, which is about 60 square meters twice. Of course, battery performance depends on the power mode you're using. The higher the power, the faster the battery drains. Charging from 0 to 100% takes about 4 hours. It uses a dedicated charger. Just connect the power adapter, plug into the charging station, and then into the wall outlet. Now let's take a look at what included in the box. The vacuum comes with 5 different attachments. We've already talked about the main floor head, so let's check out the others. First, there is a mini turbo brush. It's basically a smaller version of the main brush, and it's designed for upholstered furniture. It's perfect for cleaning sofas, armchairs, mattresses, and even car seats. Next is the lawn crevice tool. It can reach almost any tight space. If you have a car, it's perfect for cleaning between the seats. At home, I love using it behind radiators, along curtains rails, and around baseboards. Then there is this transformer-style attachment. You can use it with a built-in bristles, which are great for picking up dust, crumbs, and cobwebs. Or you can slide the bristles back, turning into a shorter tool. And finally, my must-have attachment for floor mopping. It has a water tank where you add water and cleaning solution, and it comes with a microfiber pad. It's important to understand that this attachment doesn't relate or work like a powerful electric mop. It simply wipes the floor as you vacuum. So you're vacuuming and freshening up your floors at the same time. For everyday maintenance cleaning, it's fantastic. However, for deep cleaning or removing old stubborn stain, it may not be enough. So, is this vacuum worth the money? Based on my personal experience, absolutely yes. I love that it's cordless, powerful, lightweight, and easy to maneuver. The variety of attachment covers all my cleaning needs. And the mopping attachment is a nice bonus for keeping your floor fresh. Yes, it requires regular maintenance and cleaning, just like any other appliance. But for me, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. So if you are looking for a reliable vacuum cleaner for everyday use, I definitely recommend taking a closer look for this model. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment which vacuum cleaner you use or would choose. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.